Halo semuanya, perkenalkan nama saya Dera Darmawan. Saya dari kelompok Sapi Gelonggongan. Jadi pada video kali ini kami akan menjelaskan materi mengenai bagaimana cara kerja output device.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Edi Saputra dari kelompok Sapi Gelonggongan. Terima kasih.
Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Luki Ramana Sidiki dari kelompok Sapi Gelonggongan.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Rifki Azuhdi dari kelompok Sapi Gelonggongan.
Jadi pada video kali ini kami akan menjelaskan mengenai simulation of how output device work. Itu mitra kami itu, dan kami berisikan 4 orang. Yang pertama itu Rifki Azuhdi, yang kedua itu saya, yang ketiga Egi Saputra, yang keempat Luki Ramana Sidiki, dan selanjutnya akan dijelaskan oleh teman saya. Silakan.
Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang partner profile. Di sini berisikan tentang partner name SMK Tri Sukses. Addressnya ada Jalan Serbajadi 2, Desa Pemanggilan, Kecamatan Natar, Kabupaten Lampung Selatan, dan kode posnya adalah 35362. Dan deskripsinya ada offering vocational high school, program specializing in automotive engineering, visual communication design, culinary arts and fashion design. Oke, selanjutnya di sini ada dokumentasinya, di mana ada foto Bapak Kepala Sekolah dari SMK Tri Sukses, dan ini ada foto kita sedang menjelaskan ke murid-murid SMK Tri Sukses.
Jadi sekarang kita masuk ke videonya. Kita
Oke. Oke, dan backgroundnya ini berisikan tentang an output device is a hardware component that function to display or deliver data that has been processed by the CPU. Output device function to translate digital data, binary machine language 0 and 1 into form of information that are understandable to humans, such as text, image, sound, or physical forms. Dan dilanjutkan oleh teman saya.
Oke, how output device work? Data reception, signal conversion, information presentation. Next, application to use, yaitu ada Canva, ada Google Gemini, AI View 3. Next, output device. Number 1, an output device is computer hardware that receives processor data from the computer and translate it into a from understandable by humans. Number 2, a computer component that converts digital electronic signal into physical information such as text, graphic, audio, or video. Number 3, a peripheral device that serves as the final interface to deliver computational research to the user. Next akan dilanjutkan oleh teman saya.
Oke, di sini kita ada punya examples of output device, and this is the examples from output device. Next. And the next we have video storyline, the vital bridge. Output device convert digital signal or binary from the CPU into physical interactions perceivable by human sense. And the second we have visuals monitor. Utilize millions of RGB pixels and GPU rasterizations to render smooth dynamic imagery. And the third we have physical print or printer. Materialize digital data into physical object using a precision ink or inkjet or heat and toner or laser. And the fourth, we have audio or speaker. Transform discrete digital data into continuous analog sound waves via a DAC or digital to analog converter. Next. And the next we have video sketch. The first, scene 1, the gateway. Speaker is member 1. Visuals, zoom into the computer, display diagram or CPU, driver to controller to device. And the next we have animation instructions. A fast stream of light flow through the flowchart diagram. The next we have scene 2, the world of pixels. Speaker is member 2. Visuals, extreme zoom on the monitor screen until pixels or RGB are visible. And the next animation instructions is show RGB subpixel lightening up to combine into the color white. And the next, rapid flickering effect to visualize refresh rate. The next we have scene 3 is making it real. Speaker is member 3. Visual is split screen, inkjet or left versus laser or right. And the next we have animation instruction is left is print head moving and spraying ink, and the right is laser beam hitting the tuner drum. The next is scene 4 is sound and connection. Speaker is member 4. Visuals, signal diagram changing from digital or square waves to analog or smooth waves via DAC, via DAC. And the second close-up of a vibrating speaker. The next we have animation instruction is smooth visual transition from blocky square waves to smooth curves, and speaker membrane moving outward and pushing the air.
Okay,
Next.
and the next we have a video result, and this is the Wii video.
Have you ever wondered how a computer transforms invisible code into something we can see and hear? Welcome to the world of output devices. An output device is the bridge between digital processing and our physical world. It all starts in the CPU, which sends instructions. Then, a device driver translates these into a language the hardware understands. Finally, a controller regulates the signal, turning data into action.
Let's talk about what you're looking at right now, the monitor. Your screen is made of millions of tiny dots called pixels. Each pixel has 3 subpixels, red, green, and blue. Through rasterization, your GPU converts math into this grid of dots. To keep the images smooth, the screen updates these pixels up to 144 times per second. This is what we call the refresh rate. It's the magic of light and speed.
Sometimes, we need to take digital data into the physical world. That's where printers come in. Inkjet printers work with extreme precision, spraying microscopic droplets of ink onto paper. On the other hand, laser printers use static electricity. A laser beam draws the image on a drum, which attracts dry toner before heat fuses it permanently to the page. Whether it's ink or toner, they turn bits into brilliant hard copies.
Finally, let's hear the data. Computers think in binary, zeros and ones. But our ears need continuous waves. A DAC, or digital to analog converter, bridges this gap. It turns discrete digital steps into smooth electrical waves. These waves move a diaphragm in your speakers, pushing the air to create the sound you hear. From visuals to sound, output devices are the essential interface that transforms cold data into human experience.
Okay, next, the conclusion of this material. Output device serve as a vital bridge converting digital binary data, 0 and 1s, form the CPU into physical forms understandable by humans, such as visual, text, or audio. Key example include monitor, printer, and speakers, which transform electronic signal into real-world interaction perceivable by our sense. Thank you. Dan itu adalah hasil presentasi kami. Saya akhiri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Goodbye.
Ada